Show me the money. I know that is one, if not the most important thing in the college process to most. Hi, I'm Danny. There are 4 ways to get financial aid: federal aid, Mississippi aid, college aid, and private scholarships. Make sure you understand these sources for paying for college. Once you have been accepted for admission and completed all the financial aid and scholarship applications, you will receive a financial aid award notification. This will be in your online student portal, but you could even receive a copy in the mail. You receive a financial aid award for each college to which you've applied and been admitted. You made your way all the way through the admission and financial aid process, and you're looking at the award letters for your colleges. What in the world do they even mean? How do you know which college is affordable? So now, how do you compare these? Let's make sure you understand the difference in a grant, scholarship, or a loan. Grants and scholarships are what is considered gift aid, while loans definitely have to be repaid. The first step, before you even look at what you've been awarded, you need to know what the estimated cost to attend a specific school. This will include tuition and fees, housing, meal plans, an estimated cost of books, transportation, and even your personal costs. The second step is to track your grants and scholarships from the cost of attendance. This is the net price, or the balance remaining for you. Do this calculation for each school. This gives you an accurate comparison of your award notification. From here, you can subtract loans, work study, or even savings that you might have to see if you can pay for the balance due on your account. This may sound complicated, but don't let it overwhelm you. You got this.